guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Blanca. So for today's video, I have another Bath & Body Works haul for you guys. This time I shopped in store. Thumbnail. Oh, my bangs. If you ever have this feeling that you want to cut your bangs, don't do it. Trust me, you will regret it. Don't do it. Okay, so not only did I shop in store, but I also shopped online. So I have a lot of goodies to show you guys. So make sure you grab a snack. This video is probably going to be a little long, but I hope you guys don't mind. And if you do enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to thumbs it up because it really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It really does help my channel out and it means so much to me. All right, let's jump right into this haul because I have so much stuff to get through and I really want to put all of this stuff away because my room has been a disaster for the last couple of days and it's driving me nuts. So let's jump right into this haul. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my online order because this box contains more of the newer stuff, and then the in-store stuff is just things that were on the 75% tables. And I don't know what happened to me, but I blacked out and I just started filling up my bag with 75% off items, and I didn't even smell like the new stuff. And when I left, I was like, oh my god, I didn't even look at the new fragrances that came out, and I don't know. So when I shopped online last time, one of my candles came damaged. So they replaced it with the sprinkled birthday cake. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just your White Barn packaging. Comes in a nice soft pink container. I love it. I've said it before. I love the White Barn packaging. There's just something about just a simple container. It's very aesthetically pleasing and I just love the White Barn packaging. You guys, this candle, ooh, 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 ooh. It smells so delicious. It smells like strawberries, vanilla, like a fresh baked birthday cake, I guess. That's why it's called that. This is delicious. I absolutely love it. I definitely want to get backups of this because it smells really good. I obviously haven't burned it, but on cold, it smells delicious. And the scent notes for this candle are rainbow sprinkles, whipped vanilla frosting, and fluffy cake. I can't stop smelling it. Sometimes I just come in my room and I'm like, and then I leave. I definitely want to save it for my birthday month, which is not until August. So I don't know if I can wait that long, but that is the plan, but we will see if I'm able to do it. Okay, so the next candle that I got is Champagne Margarita. Look at this packaging, so beautiful. Love it. It just smells like a margarita. I cannot wait to burn this one. It's so good, you guys. So the scent notes for Champagne Margarita are freshly squeezed lime, bubbly champagne, and sugar cane crystals. Oh, this is a 10 out of 10. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. If you haven't smelled this, get it. You don't even need to smell it. I'm telling you, you will love this one. Ooh, it smells so delicious. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, next, I don't even remember what candles I got. Oh, yes. Okay, I also grabbed the lavender marshmallow candle. Look at this packaging once again. This is so cute. I love the purple lid. I love everything about this candle. It's so cute. Okay. I did smell this one in store. Anything that has marshmallow in it, I just absolutely love. And I love lavender. This is very sweet and The lavender and the marshmallow just blend really nicely together. Definitely want to back this up. Again, I haven't burned it, but I feel like I'm just gonna love this one. So the scent notes for, did I say the name of this? Yeah, lavender marshmallow. So the scent notes for this are fluffy marshmallow, touch of lavender, and fresh vanilla bean. So good. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these candles. I have so many candles, so many. I'm trying to burn them. Like, I don't collect. I actually use my stuff. I burn it. I go through it. Of course, I love the pretty packaging, but I'm not going to not use a candle just because I like the packaging and I don't want to use it. You know what I mean? I use my stuff, but I have so many candles. I don't know how I'm going to get through them all. And then the last candle I got is, I'm pretty sure this is the coconut one. Yes, it is. I got the iced coconut milk. Just looks like that. And the lid is just this like brushed kind of design on it. I don't know, can you guys see that? I love the packaging on this, love the color. This smells like a pineapple, coconut, and it almost has like this perfumey scent. So this is fresh coconut milk, crushed ice, topped with sweet vanilla cream. Okay, maybe that's what I'm smelling. Smells really good. My husband really likes this one. I make him smell all my new candles, and he really liked this one, so he wants me to burn this one next. Right now I'm working on that one back there, which is red velvet cupcake, and that one's really good. It has a nice throat to it, but it's very light, and I feel like it does very well in a small room, where in an open concept room, I feel like it doesn't perform as nice. I feel like it fills up a small room really nicely, so I like burning this in my like filming room. That one smells really good. If you like coconut, you'll definitely like this. But why do I smell pineapple? I smell pineapple in this. Does it have pineapple on it? No, it doesn't. Okay. It's weird. Okay, so next, moving on to the body care. I ended up picking up Fairy Tale. This packaging is everything. It is so pretty. I can't get over it. They did such a beautiful job with this one. And the reason I got this one is because everyone was saying how amazing it smells, and they were comparing it to, I believe, a YSL perfume. I've never smelled it before, so I don't know. Oh, but it smells so good. You could definitely smell the pomegranate and the orange. Like, it's very citrusy. It smells really good. I have this on today. So these scent notes are pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, and vanilla bean. It really does smell almost like a perfume. It's very long lasting. Like, I put this on early in the morning around 8:30. It's now almost 4 o'clock and I can still smell it on me. So this is a beautiful scent, and the packaging is just gorgeous. Probably one of my favorite packaging that Bath and Body Works has come out with. It's so beautiful. Okay, next up is white t-shirt. So this scent has been hyped up for a really long time, and I finally was able to get my hands on it. Now, I could only get my hands on the body cream. They did not have the fragrance available online or the shower gel, but now they do. And I hate when they do that. I wish they would just come out with everything at once. I am definitely going to be going in store to pick the fragrance mist up of this because it smells so good. It smells so clean. It smells like a laundry detergent. If you don't want to smell like fresh laundry, then you probably wouldn't like this scent. To me, this is not too strong and it's not too soft. It's just perfect. I wore it this past Sunday and I really enjoy this one. This is probably one of my top favorites. And these scent notes for white t-shirt are crisp pear, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. This literally smells like you just put on some fresh clothes that you just took out of the dryer. And I love smelling like that. That's one of my favorite scents. I know some people maybe find that scent offensive, they don't like it, but for me personally, I love it. Okay, this scent I thought I was gonna like. This is the fresh coconut and cotton. I thought I was gonna love it because everyone was just saying how amazing it was. And I even got the shower gel. You guys, I hate this scent. I do not like it at all. I don't know. I think I'm the only one who doesn't like it. I love coconut scents, but I feel like there's different kinds of coconut scents. There's like the nice sweet kind, like Summertime Surf. I love that one. That's one of my favorite scents that has coconut in it. It's very sweet and I love it. But this one stinks. Ugh, it smells like sour, not sour, but like something has just gone bad. I don't like it. Oh, I can't. I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't want it in my life. I am definitely taking all of this back. I only sprayed the mist on me like once, and then I put the cream on me twice because I was like, maybe I'll like it in a couple days. And I tried it again, but no, I don't like it. The scent notes are coconut, coastal breeze, and beachside cotton. Ugh. Let me know if you feel the same way about the fresh coconut and cotton scent, because I've watched many videos and everyone loves it. I think I'm like the only one who does not like it. So okay, so moving on to my in-store purchases. So everything in this bag was 75% off. The candle was 50% off. So I only got one candle just because the candles they had were all like pretty much Christmas candles, and I already have so many of those, so I did not need to get any more. Not that I even needed this one, but I just wanted it and I couldn't resist at 50% off. By the way, my husband got me these items for Valentine's Day, so thanks babe, love you. You're the best. So this is the strawberry pound cake. This one smells so good. Oh, it's delicious. It's so yummy. So good. So these scent notes for the strawberry pound cake are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. I cannot wait to burn this one. It's so sweet and yummy and delicious. Ugh, I'm obsessed. I also picked up a strawberry pound cake body cream. I already have so many of these. I honestly do not need any more, but this scent is so good, and it's the same scent notes as the candle: fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And look at the packaging on this. It's super cute. I just couldn't resist, you guys. It smells, just smells so good. One scent I was so excited to see was a Fireside Flurries. So I believe they only had one fragrance mist left, and then they had a ton of the creams. This is honestly probably one of my favorite scents. Whoop. It just looks like that. The packaging is so pretty. And oh my God, you guys, this smells so good. It smells like a toasted marshmallow that you toasted by the fire. It's sweet, but it's like, it's so cozy and warm. Oh, I love it. So the scent notes for this are toasted marshmallow, pink lavender, and cashmere woods. It's so good. Okay, another scent that I really wanted to try because I've never tried this before, but everyone always says how whenever they wear it, they get compliments. So I decided to grab the Happy Vibes fragrance mist and the body cream. Now, after a while being in the store, like I couldn't smell anything. I could not smell this. I had no idea what it smelled like, and I was giving it to my husband to try to sniff, and he couldn't smell anything. After a while from being in the store, I guess from just smelling a bunch of the scents, you kind of just go like nose blind and you can't smell anything. This smells really good. This is also one of my favorite scents. This smells really summery, fresh. You can really smell like the citrus. Does this have like orange in it? The scent notes are pink citrus, crisp pear, fresh honeysuckle, sheer, what? Sheer what? Vetiver, sheer vetiver, and dewy orchid. I don't know, but oh, this smells so good. This reminds me of like, you know when you go to like a hair salon and it's just when you walk in and it smells so good. It reminds me of like some high-end shampoo. It smells so beautiful. It's definitely something that I want to have backups of. I wish I would have purchased more. This is such a lovely scent. It's going to definitely be a staple in my collection. I've already used so much of it. Like I just got this about a week ago. I don't know if you could see it, but it's like right there because I just love it that much, and I've just been wearing it and spraying it in my room, on my curtains, on my clothes. It smells really good. Okay, and last but not least, I picked up berry waffle cone. I could only find the body lotion, but you guys, this, okay, I know I keep saying that this is my favorite scent, but this one takes the cake. If I really need to find the fragrance mist, I need this whole collection. This smells so amazing. If you love berries, you will love this. This kind of smells like Fruit Loops. It smells so good. This one is like my top favorite. If I could only have one scent out of all the scents that I have, I feel like it would be berry waffle cone. Yeah, this is really delicious. This is sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. Yep, this is it. This is my top favorite scent. Out of all the scents that I have, I would have to say that this is my favorite one. Alright you guys, so this concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up this video. That will let me know that you do. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat something. I'm starving. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.